Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This
week we are installing and reviewing these Herdio Indoor Outdoor Waterproof speakers. A company named Herdio reached out to us and asked us if we would be able to do a review on their product. As always, the stipulation with all the product reviews that we do is that we're allowed to do an honest review ourselves and give any positive or negative feedback, and the company was very open about it, and so they shipped us the speakers and we want to give it a try. From what I can tell, I've already taken a look at what it's going to take to install. This looks like this could be a really simple install. Then we're going to have to take a look and see how well it works with, let's say, our Amazon Alexa, see what the sound quality is like and how well it works. These are designed to be able to work outside, but it's also ideal for the garage. If any of you have seen our videos, you may know that our neighbors are probably real close where we could reach out and knock on their window and borrow a cup of sugar. So I don't want to install any speakers outside, as I don't want to inconvenience our neighbors, but I am in the garage on a daily basis, and so this is just a perfect thing where I can have some clear sounding music instead of the tiny little Amazon Alexa dot that I normally use. So I'm actually looking forward to this, and so let's get right into this. Okay, I'm actually going to do the review on my own. Jennifer was not part of the actual testing to see how well the sound worked out, because I'm the one who's in the garage all the time. And so anyhow, as you can see on the footage of what we put together, the connecting it to the speakers was super simple. Actually, it worked way better than I even imagined, so much so that I had my echo down to the normal, I think it was level 3 or something, and when it linked up to these speakers, it just blew out the garage, and but it was such a clear sound. I was in a panic to turn the volume down, but it really was impressive. So set the volume to a normal type setting, and it was just wonderful. I never really thought about my little Echo Dot and the little speaker that it has. So when I set up these here in the garage and they're pointed to my workbench, and I'm sitting here doing some stuff and just jamming along, and it was wonderful. I have found no problems with this. I'll admit, I'm not a speaker connoisseur that I know all levels of treble and bass and what's good and what's not, but I know what I like and what sounds good to me. And for me, these were wonderful. So I can't say enough about these. Obviously, I haven't tested this for a long period of time, so hopefully they'll continue to do really well. Herdio is another one of these companies that I suspected was probably going to do a good job with the speakers anyways, because they were so willing to allow me to do an honest opinion on this. For the most part, when a company is that confident, I suspect that they knew what type of quality that they were sending to us, and they were okay with us doing the review. I'm loving these speakers. So from now on, every day that I'm in here, I am certain to be listening to music with some better sound systems up there. So this is definitely a 2 thumbs up for us.
We really hope you enjoyed our review. Next week we have a laser project that we're going to be working on. So until then, bye-bye.